Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, Avalanche, and I even added DOGE in there for some of you DOGE lovers. Just because I know we did a chart on it and we crushed it on there, and some of you guys want an update on that, so I'm giving you an update on it. I did a video earlier; you guys can check that out. I just did a quick one on Ethereum and Bitcoin. And guys, this did not look good, guys. We didn't want to close underneath the $44,000 area. We ended up getting that close. We are currently getting kind of a bounce off my fib. I had 42 668 area, and we got down to 42 724. But sometimes I like to front run these areas right here, guys. You can see all the touch points here, here, here. Each candle represents one day, guys. And I'm going to make this video kind of short tonight, guys, because I fell asleep on the couch. I just woke up. It's late night. I wanted to get something out there to you guys because I promised you guys I'd do a video tonight. But I ate some food. I started watching Shark Tank. I was on the computer all day. I took a little nap, and now I'm back. I'm just doing this for you guys. So make sure you guys, hit that thumbs up, sub, hit the bell, hit the all. If the pep isn't in my step tonight, the energy's kind of low right now, but it'll probably kick up as I move along here. But yeah, we did get rejected. We got that daily candle close that we didn't want to see. And one of the reasons I didn't want to see it, there was two things. First of all, this is an ugly chart. Let's go to our cleanup chart. I believe it's on FTX, right? Yeah. So this chart here, you can see I had better levels on my other chart. We did have this, but this chart was mainly just to see this symmetric triangle right here. So we had this symmetric triangle right here, and now we fell back into that. So could we hold this trend? That's what I'd be looking at. I did some testing here. You see these green lines here, guys. You can see what do I look at? I think I was looking at the RSI on the 3-day, I believe. I think it was the 3-day. Oh, wait, that's the 3 hours. Sorry, hold on. 3-day. Yeah. Is that what it was? Okay. You can see how we got the bullish divergence here, and then we got the bearish divergence here. I'll make this red so you guys can get a better idea on the red line. We'll make it red. Okay. So you guys can see what happened here. So we had the bullish divergence at the bottom of the pattern, 37, boom, up to the upside. Then on the 3-day, following that candle, then we got this downside movement. Okay, so I'm really keeping an eye on the 3-day because if we do get another bullish divergence here, this could be something that we can look at. But on the longer term time frames, on the weekly, you can see we got some hidden divergence right here. This is not good. This is something we don't want to see on the weekly. If we do close under that 44, or actually, you know what? We're going to go to the weekly right now. Let's see. I want to show you guys because this is very important. We're on the weekly chart right now. Okay, so this is what I did not want to see right here. This was the previous week candle, right? This is an ugly, terrible. We're going to get rid of these lines so you don't get confused with wicks or anything. This is an ugly candle, guys. I wanted to see this pop or at least not create a new low right here, which was coming in. Actually, I wanted to move this green line up a little bit right there. Okay. Coming in at that 44,226 area. You know what? Let's get it exact, guys. I told myself I was going to make this short, and then it never happens, but I have to because we got Doge on here too, and I added that. So we got to keep these videos within 20 minutes. But that 44,246 area, guys. I did not want to see us creating a new low. So what do we have now? Well, let's see if this bottom area holds up. Is that right on FTX? Oh no, that was my trend. Okay, I was about to say that didn't wick down there because I had this on Coinbase. See, here's the thing, guys. You see how it says 42,630? So I had that on Coinbase, right? On the Coinbase chart. But you see how the FTX is different from Coinbase. So you got to remember that. Whatever chart you're trading on is the chart. The prices will be different, guys. Okay? Right now, I'm not sure what Coinbase. Okay, so Coinbase, I'm looking at my other monitor. Right now, Coinbase is trading at 43,230, and this is trading around. I'm sorry, it's trading at 43,250. I'm sorry, and now this just moved, so they're kind of similar. But you could see where this wicked down. This wicked a lot lower than the Coinbase. The Coinbase wicked down to, I think it was what was it, 42,700, right? Let's go back to the Coinbase chart. I just want to show you guys this. You could see where I had the FTX perfect on this chart. I mean, we had it pretty much to the dollar, but on this one, it wicked down the low. You can see the low, 42,734, and then you go to FTX, and this is what I mean, guys. You can get these different prices and different wicks. Look at the low here. Yeah, 42,725. Why was that just different? What was I doing there, guys? Why is that? Let me lock this in because this doesn't look like that on the wick. Why is it? Wait, did I not erase something here? Oh, that's why. I apologize, guys. Okay, so it was very close in price, but let's see. It was just a little difference. Let's look. Yeah, because okay, that was my mistake there. So it's only about a $10 difference. It wasn't that bad. I thought it was more. That's my bad, guys. I must have had a trend or something there. Actually, you know what? That's what I did. I wanted you guys to look at that. Was that on Coinbase? Let's look. Was it? Oh, did I just erase it? I think I just erased my trend that I had for you guys. I wanted to show you. Well, we have a trend here. You guys can see, but yeah, I did have a trend. Um, I don't really have time to draw that back up. This is why I'm doing this video half asleep for you guys, and it's not coming out too great. But I'm gonna post it anyways because I want to get it out to you. Well, what can we see more to the downside? Let's look at some of the indicators. There's a lot of things on the lower time frames that are showing that uh, we could go up here, but then the higher time frames looks absolutely terrible. I believe on the daily we do have some. Yeah, we have bearish divergence here, but we could get some hidden bullish divergence here if we can close above this 43. What I'm really wanting to see, guys, is within the next couple days, really getting a 2-day candle closing above that weekly. Let's see right here, because if we get that I really want to see us get back above here, 46,400, or even higher. The ideal thing would be actually 46,900, guys, and this thing will turn around in a hurry. Okay, there is a Bitcoin conference down in Miami currently happening right now. Also, there's rumors of the CEO of Apple might be announcing a big Bitcoin purchase. So this could be one big fake out. There's a lot of things here that could be driving this price down right now. The whales could be playing games. So we definitely got to be careful within this area because they are making it look very bearish. But what they like to do is make it look very bearish and then bring it to the upside. So currently, let's just see if this 42,700 holds. If it does, and by tomorrow, let's see if we can get some kind of daily candle closing above this 44,600, and then getting back above. I believe this was the 50-day moving. Oh no, that was on the week. Yeah, I would like to see us get back above the 50-day on the weekly, which is coming in right around this 45,600 area. Okay. If we can do that, then yeah, I think we can go higher within the next couple days. And let's just see if we hold that area right there. Now we're going to move on to Ethereum, guys, because we're running out of time. We're already 10 minutes in. That wasn't a very good presentation of Bitcoin because I'm just extremely tired, but I want to get this stuff out to you guys. What did I do here? I had this on the hour chart. So I got some volume here for you. If you guys don't know, what you do is you can take this little indicator here. Okay. It's called the fixed range indicator. You can pretty much draw it up anywhere. I just did it in this range because we do have this nice little channel right here. And I wanted to see where the volume was coming in, where we have that fixed range volume. And it looks like it's coming in right around 32.37. So we can mark that down. If we can get a higher term time frame, maybe a 4-hour closing above there coming out of this, then yeah, maybe we could push up to this. Actually, you know what I would like to see, guys? This 32.74. If we can clear that, then yeah, we could probably push a little higher. You know what? Let's do this. Let's get this fixed range, and we'll do it one more time because that's a short-term move. We're talking about short-term trading. Let's see if we see anything bigger up here. Well, yeah, right in between my box, that right here. We can look at this range right here. That's where the most volume's coming in, from 34.50 to 34.75. That does look like an area of my concern. We talked about this being our selling area, which, I mean, we nailed that perfect, guys. No, I must have accidentally erased my line here. But whatever. I'm going to clean this whole chart up because it just looks like crap. But yeah, so short term above this area here. Long term above this area here will look bullish. Right now to the downside, we want to see, first of all, this 31.26. If we get any kind of higher term time frame, maybe even a 4-hour would do it for me. Then we probably could push down to this 3,044 or even this 29.81 area. This would be a potential area where I'd look for some kind of bounce, unless we could create a W here. If we do something like this on the hour chart, where's my drawing? Right here. We go here, 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 and we get a double bottom. And then break this. Then we could start a little pump to the upside. That target would be, the first target of that move would be here to here. We always go a little conservative here. It would be right around this. That's not much of a move. Let's go on a higher term time frame. Let's see here. I mean, yeah, that's what we'd want to see. We'd want to see some kind of double bottom to get the move. Now, would that be a great target? Now, I would look for the 32.74 area, if anything. I just want to see some kind of action here. So maybe a double bottom can create it. What we don't want to see, though, on this move is we don't want to see the right side of this go lower. So if we go under 31.43, even on an hourly close, then yeah, I would look for more downside, and that move would be irrelevant. But this is the type of move, guys, you want to see on a reversal, and then we want to break the middle of this and then go. Okay. So you guys got my areas for there. Matic, we're going to try to hurry this along because we're already 13 minutes in. Matic, it's not looking that great. We're back in my zone. We got rejected here off the 200, just like we did a Bitcoin. We had it circled here. I don't know why my average is not up there. Also, we got rejected here. Oh, that's why, because I was on the... Guys, I'm out of it. I apologize. This has not been my greatest video, but I'm extremely tired. Right here, we had the 200-day moving average where it's coming down a little bit now, but we did get rejected right up there at the top of that move as well. So that's something we definitely want to clear. But to the downside of Matic, let's see if 141 holds up. Let's see. Do we have anything here? Actually, no, we do. 143, 143 does look like a good area here. So 143 to 140, let's see if that area holds up, okay? If it does, then we want to push back above this 156, get a 4-hour or 6-hour closing above there, or even a daily would look nice. And then push above this 161 to 162 area, get some kind of daily closing above there, and then we can move a little bit higher. So then you got my downside and my upside. That's what I'm looking at for Matic Cardano. Guys, we talked about holding this area 107 to 110. We got the bounce off the 110. Look how, guys, if you watch my videos, you could not play this any better. It's like playing Doge. You can't play this any better. We called the bottom. We called this rejection. We called it the breakout here off this trend. So there's so many opportunities you guys had here. We called the top. We called this move right here at the 110. And then we were getting rejected right here at the 107, which we talked about. Look at that, 107, guys. You guys know that you watch my channel, you watch Cardano. What did I say? 110 and 107 is a big level. Okay, we got rejected there. So I want to see some kind of higher term time frame, close above 107 and 110. And then maybe we could push higher to the 114, 115 area. To the downside, let's just see if a dollar holds up. Okay, plain and simple. This was ugly. You remember this one? This was Solana. I drew the target up sideways. But we ended up hitting the target coming out of our W. Look, all I did was I pull this down. We match this up from this side to the middle. We break the middle, right? We pull the target up. Boom, we hit our target perfect. Boom, right here. And then I talked about possibly getting rejected there because we hit our target. Boom, that's exactly what happened. We're currently bouncing off my fib. The area that I really want to see hold up, though, guys, we might have to test it one more time. This 106, 104. If that can hold up, then yeah, we could see more upside. If we get any kind of higher term time frame closing under there, then I would be looking at this 100 to 95 area, and then this 89 area, guys. But that's what I'm looking at for Solano. To the upside, let's get some kind of higher term time frame closing above 121, 122 area. If we can do that, then yeah, we can push back up here in this move. Okay. And then we can go 127, 137, then it's 144. And finally, maybe break this bump and run trend that we have right here, which could produce a big move and finally get some kind of closure back over this 200. You can see the death cross I circled, but I would like to see this go up and this go down and turn into a golden cross. Shib, RB, Shib Nation. Look at this. You can't make this any better, this chart. I mean, this is incredible. Okay, I even drew a line up here, talk about this was our selling point. We called this bottom all the way back here. I talked about this bottom. First of all, if you guys watch my video, guys, we traded this right here, and we made over 1,000% on this move. And this was my top right here. We nailed this perfect. And I was giving out free SHIB down here, guys. Okay? We made a killing. I mean, I had people tell me they bought new cars. I changed their life. I mean, that was an awesome trade. How much time we got left? Only 2 minutes. All right, so you guys see my levels on SHIB because we're running out of time. You see my levels. The 2392, let's see if that holds up, and let's see if we can get past the 2476 on a higher term time frame. Avalanche, look at this, can't make it up. We talk about this 80 to 81. I want to see that area hold up. If not, we get a higher term time frame. Then I would be looking at testing this 77 to 78 or this 74 level. Dogecoin, guys, look at this. We got rejected right off my fib, and now we're getting support right off the 114, 113 area. 114, 14 to 13 area. I want to see that area hold up. If that area can hold up, and we get some kind of higher term time frame closing back above that 15, then maybe we could push and test that 17 again. If we do get a higher term time frame closing under there, I just want to see the 50-day moving average, which is coming in around 13. I want to see that hold up, okay? I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. You can see the beautiful pattern on Doge. Awesome pattern. We nailed this perfect. I want to see us break this pattern, get some kind of daily candle closing out of here. If we can do that, then we can move higher up in the move. All right, so that's it for tonight's video, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. Make sure you guys sub, hit the bell, hit the all. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Much love to all you guys, and peace out.